The biggest mistake traders make is trying to overcomplicate their price action trading strategy. It's important to keep your strategy simple and straightforward, so you can easily identify the right opportunities to trade. In this video, I will share my simple price action system, so let's stick to the end to improve your trading. So guys, we are starting here straight away with the price action of entity USD daily time frame. And guys, you really don't need to overcomplicate things. So when we look here now on the left hand side of this chart, we can see we're making here lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, right? And what's happening right here now is that the market decides to push up. And what does the market right here? We're breaking the last lower high, all right? We're breaking the last lower high, creating here a new high. And this all right in here is a shift in market structure, guys. So when I delete these drawings and draw this out a little bit cleaner, so this was our last lower high that the market was made. And the market decides now to break this lower high and create here a new high, creating here a new higher low, creating new higher high, and so on and so forth, guys. So now the question right here is how we can trade the shift in market structure. Now guys, I have said it before, I don't draw out my zones on the wicks, I draw out my zones on the candle closes right here. And what you can see that this was actually a great support and resistance area. We tested here multiple times, and this is well the last structure point that was broken. So our last lower high, the market pushes here up, comes back here with a retest and shooting back to the upward side, guys. And now this move right in here, this takes 1 to 3 days, okay? Price action traders often make the mistake of not having enough patience. They may see the trade that looks good, but if it doesn't hit their entry level, they may enter too early or too late. You have to be patient and wait for the right moment to enter the market right here. Okay, so let's see now what the market does right here. So we're creating here this new higher high, creating here this pullback, and don't come back to my entry criteria right here, but that is okay. The market does not always do that what you want. So what we have right here is the market pushes up, creating new highs, creating here a new higher low. What does the market do? Comes back to my structure point and to my support and resistance area. So when I delete this and draw now here this line and draw now here my zone around it, you can see how the market pushes here through, comes here back with a pullback, and there you have your great entry levels right here. So when you want to trade this now, you go here and let's use now our replay mode right here. So let's say you see this on the daily time frame, guys. You can clearly see that this was a new higher high, and now we get here this pullback. And when I draw now here my support and resistance area out, you can see that the market here tested multiple times. The zone was tested several times right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times, guys. And when I go now here to my entry time frame, and this is for me always a 1 hour, you can use the 15 minute for entries as well. That's your choice right in here. Now what you can see in here on the 1 hour time frame is that we are creating here this engulfing candle, and this is for me my first entry criteria. So we go here in, stop loss goes underneath the zone, and we target in the last high. And when we play this now out, guys, you can see that the market here shooting up and takes out my take profit and going even further. Okay, so now you can see how the market here creating here this new higher high and creating here this new pullback to the new higher low, and we're going here straight into my zone that was the last structure high right here. And there you can search for your trade entries, okay? So guys, I will show you now an example on how I use this price action strategy from start to the end. So right here we are on the AUD CAD, and this right here is literally the same thing as we discussed before. What we have right here is higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. What's happening right here is that the market breaks here down, breaking the last higher low. Indicates me that we are in a shift of market structure. Now I want the pullback into the last structure points right here to get my clean setups. So let's delete this and let's draw this now out a little bit cleaner. So this was my shift of market structure right here, and this was my last structure point. So let's draw a zone around it. So I want now from the market that we are come here back, and in this zone we are looking out for our sell position. So let's play this now a little bit further out. Now you can see that the market comes here up and testing this zone. So let's jump a little bit back and let's jump into the 1 hour time frame to look out for this entry. So let's play this now out. And guys, you can see right in here that this was our impulse to the downward side, creating here this new low. And this was our pullback back to our structure points, all right? So let's now actually go to the 15-minute time frame that I can show you that you can get a better entry on the 15-minute time frame. So right in here, guys, we can see that the market comes into my zone, and what we are getting here is a nice and clean engulfing pattern. So you can enter right away here on this engulfing pattern. Stop goes above this zone, and we are targeting these lows right here and these higher lows right here, or the last low that the market made right here. But we are targeting now this area right here. So let's play this now out, and you can see how the market decides to go further to the downward side. So I actually go now to the 1 hour time frame to speed this a little bit up. You can see it better. So let's play this out. So you can see that the market comes here down, takes out my take profit, and going even further to the last low right here. Alright guys, so let's search now for another example right here. So guys, we are here on the USD JPY price action, and what we are seeing on the USD JPY is that we are making here lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, breaking to new lower lows. Now what I want from the market is to push up into my structure points and then look out for my sell positions. So let's delete this and let's draw out now my structure points, and this is right here. So we draw a zone around it right in here, and now we are just waiting that the market comes here back into my zone. Again guys, be patient. All right, so let's play this a little bit further out, and you can see the market comes up and tests this zone. So let's jump into the lower time frames to get our entry criteria. Again guys, this is our impulse right here to create this new low, and this is our correction back to our structure point. Now what we can see right here is that we are creating here a nice and clean double top formation right here. So when the candle here now closes bearish, I want to go in with a short position. So right here we are closing bearish, enter with a short position, stop goes above the zone, and we are targeting what? The last low right here. So let's play this now further out. Actually go to the 4 hour time frame to speed this things up, and let's play this now out. And now you can see how the market comes down and takes out my take profit. So guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time guys, and happy trading.